There isn't a single penny you need to spend because this trick I'm about to tell you is completely free. Plus, it works across the world and it's really simple to follow. This technique I'm going to tell you may help you earn hundreds of dollars online in passive income. I'll walk you through every step of the process from start to finish so you know how this works and how to set it up. So, stay tuned! Before that, hello! I'm your cash flow girl. Welcome to my channel where I teach you easy ways to get your cash flowing. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and click on the notification bell to keep you updated on our new uploads. Let's get this money making started. This may be a complex strategy involving a number of platforms. However, the first step I want you to take is really easy. I want you to go to Instagram.com. What you should do now on Instagram is look for a large make money online page like the one I found here myself. It doesn't have to have as many followers as this one. A modest page with 50,000 or more followers will suffice. Then, in order to get a feeling for that page's tone and subject, you should save at least 5 posts from the page. Find a few excellent ones that suit your taste and want to download them. Then, go to the first post and grab its URL. Next, go to software like igram.io and download it for free by pasting its link here and then clicking on the download button. The choice of which site to download the articles from isn't significant. They all function in a similar way and provide high-quality downloads of your content, so you can use just about any software you want. With that completed, it's time to go to the next website you'd want to use right now. That site is called omnilink.iconosquare.com. The use of this website is critical to the effectiveness of our approach. And if you've never heard of it before, OmniLink simply lets you create some sort of a landing page for free. With this website, you may now add as many links as you want. Instead of sending the links one by one, this allows you to simply copy and paste URLs into one place, essentially organizing them. Afterward, you can simply share your Omni link instead of multiple ones. Now that you have a glimpse of how this website will benefit you, let's get you signed up. What I want you to do is sign up for free. First, click on Sign Up in the upper right corner of the site. Type in all of your information in these boxes, your email and password, and follow through with the process. Then log into your account on the website. When you do this, everything will now appear as it would on a landing page. And you'll have these buttons here that presently won't have any links connected to them. The next step is to locate those links. ATLEAST.com is a great website to use for this purpose. ATLEAST is primarily an affiliate marketplace where you can find offers and products to promote. The difference is that with ATLEAST, you can find offers that simply require signups, a feature that has a huge advantage for starters like you. Guys, it takes a lot less work to get someone to sign up for free on some website than it does to persuade them to make a real purchase. And as many of you may already know, this is the website that will truly pay you right now. So, on this platform, what you'll want to do is find links to promote. You need to ensure that whatever you're advertising is in the same niche as the Instagram page I just showed you. This entails providing business opportunities in the make money online niche. To discover them, try searching for something like a gift card in the search bar. To get a listing of several giveaways, use the keyword survey to look for various websites that pay participants for answering surveys. You may also search for crypto and other terms. What I propose is that you grab a link from each of the following websites so as to substantially boost your income. Someone signing up for just one of these 3 kinds of offers is far more likely than someone signing up for only one type of offer. To obtain an affiliate link for any deal, first open it up, then choose Run this offer here. You'll now have to sign up for the external website running the offer and acquire your affiliate link from there. It's a bit of a pain to go through all of this, but it's well worth it, I assure you. Anyway, now that you've got your affiliate links, what you'll want to do now is exactly what I did here off camera. So the first thing you should do is make your landing page appear to be some sort of website about making money online, with a nice picture of cash or anything similar, and then add a good username below it. Finally, you'll add your links to these buttons and customize the buttons as needed. You'll notice that I've customized my buttons here and typed in these: participate in the $500 giveaway, earn money by completing surveys, and earn in Bitcoin. This is the sort of landing page you should design with your own affiliate links. Consider the scenario if a prospective individual discovered this landing page. They wouldn't only want to click on one link, but they'd also be interested in clicking on every other link, since each of them discusses various methods of generating money online. This would result in more clicks and signups, allowing you to make even more money. This is why I previously stated that it's critical to provide a range of alternatives in the same niche, the make money online niche. Getting traffic is the most difficult step, and frankly, the crucial step to money making. Even though your landing page will be optimized to attract clicks and registrations, you won't get either if people don't want to make money online and click your OMNI URL. However, do not worry, for I have a solution for that. Before that, if you have been enjoying this video so far, give us a big thumbs up and leave your thoughts and ideas in the comment section below. Going back, to aid with that slight inconvenience, your first step will be to establish a new Instagram account, as I have done here. You probably guessed that the account should be based in the make money online niche. What you'll do now is make your Instagram page pique people's interest. You might want to add a beautiful photo to your profile, choose a decent username, and start publishing the same material you downloaded back in the beginning on your Instagram account. Also, do not forget to credit the page in those postings so they don't get deleted for copyright reasons. The last thing you want to do is include your OMNI URL on your Instagram bio. Now, if someone lands on your site, they will be able to click on it. Since you specialize in the make money online niche, you've already met one of your major objectives by getting people who are interested in making money online to actually click on your link. There's only one piece of the puzzle still missing: followers. You'll be able to earn money online on autopilot just by leaving comments after you've acquired them. So, how do you grow your Instagram following? An excellent method to do this is by going to some well-known Instagram account in the same niche as your account and following not just the followers, but also those who like and comment on their posts. As a result, you'll pop up on their notifications, and if those people follow the same page as your niche, then there's a massive chance to be followed back. While most people wouldn't follow you back, do not be disheartened and keep in mind that you don't need the majority of them to do so. You can quickly follow hundreds of individuals in just 30 minutes or so. And if you perform this over a few days, it'll amount to thousands. If you follow 5,000 people in a few days and just 10% of them return the favor, your follower number will soon rise into the thousands as long as you continue to do so. After consistently following the steps and tricks I've outlined for you, there's a huge possibility of your page growing over time, and you'll eventually start earning money online. It will be completely passive income, with you doing nothing but sitting back and collecting your checks. It's as simple as that. For my #1 recommendation on how to make money on YouTube, check out the link in the description box below. It has been nice to be your guide for this video. If you haven't yet, subscribe to our channel, ring your notification bell, and get your cash flowing through me, your Cashflow girl. See you in the next one.